If Jake Paul's truly serious about taking an MMA bout after his huge KO win over Tyron Woodley, has got one of the best fighters in the ready to train him. TMZ Sports talked to 26-year-old Bellator champ McKee in Tampa, Florida on Friday, and we asked the undefeated fighter about Paul saying he intends to take an MMA fight in the future. He better come train with me, but he can do good, McKee told us. The 16-0 champ continued, if he wanna do it, he can do it. I think has already shown his skills in what he can do in boxing, so if he wants to take it to a different lane, why not? If you missed Jake's comments, he told the media on Thursday that he 100% was going to fight MMA, saying, I don't see why if I can do boxing at this high of a level that I couldn't do MMA at this high of a level. In fact, later that same day, Jake told us he intended to fight and beat Conor McGregor in an MMA cage. Paul said he going to train at AKA in Northern California, which happens to be the home gym of Khabib Nurmagomedov and Daniel Cormier. Daniel Cormier online. I'ma smack Jake Paul when I see him. Daniel Cormier in person, thoughtful face, hit.twitter.com/zinsneed. Jake Paul, at Jake Paul, April 25, 2021 at Jake Paul. Has very likely kidding, cause DC and Paul ain't exactly buddies. Remember, they nearly came to blows at a UFC event several months back. So, if Jake needs a gym, body shop in Lakewood, Cali is open for biz.